To trace an image and turn your drawing into a pop art on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you can use Sketch to Image feature and adjust its setting. To do so, open the image you like to trace. Remove your S Pen. On the R command menu, tap Sketch to Image. Tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right. And then select transparency. Adjust the transparency level to the highest one so that you can clearly see the image you like to trace. Now, start tracing. Once done, tap the Output Style drop-down menu and then select Pop Art. Next, tap Generate button to let the AI to convert your drawing into a pop art. When the process is done, here you can see that you are provided with some result. You can swipe the result section to the left to see the other images. If needed, you can tap the down arrow icon or save icon at the top of the screen to download the selected image and then save it to the Sketch to Image album on your gallery app. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.